guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana, and today we have a sponsored video featuring Show Modern hair, y'all. And I love how this came out. I just love it in its natural state, so of course I love the way it came out. I tried to do my baby hairs, y'all, and I completely failed. But overall, I love the straight look, the bone straight, because I haven't had straight in a minute. I was going to curl it, but I'm like, no, you know what? Let me just give the wig in a natural state. Straight like this. You can take it out the box or the bag, because it did come in a bag like this. You can take it out the bag. I also like these tattoos, y'all. I just had to say that it's so cute. You can take it right out the bag and just put it on your head. However, I wanted to bleach the knots. The only thing is right here the knots are thin, but on the sides the knots are like thick. So I'm assuming it was supposed to be like this anyway. You can't like flip it or reverse it. It's just like this, just a straight sleek wig, and this is how it came out. I love it. I haven't had straight hair in a minute. It's a wig, like I said, it's a wig that you can just get up and go with this. Try to get into this tutorial, so if y'all want to see it, please keep on watching, and I'm gonna see y'all on the outro. What's up, my dolls? So Show Modern was kind enough to sponsor this video, and here is the bag and the wig inside the bag. But first off, they sent some miscellaneous items that came in the bag: a beauty blender, a wig cap, a clip, and also a edge brush to do the baby hairs with. This is the wig. This is a pre-plucked Indian straight 13x6 transparent HD lace frontal, 150% density, and they sent over a 24-inch wig. And this is how it looks really good. Like, it melts into the skin seamlessly. Y'all gonna see me say this wig, and the ends are straight. So I didn't want to curl this. I was thinking in my head to curl this wig, but I'm like, no, it's a straight wig, so why curl it? You know, when you get body wave, I feel like it's necessary. Like, okay, it's a body wave wig, so curl it. The curl will be better to curl it with a body wave than more so than straight. You straighten it. So I'm like, I haven't had straighten in a long time, so let's straighten this wig. So what I did was hot comb this wig back to get all the flyaways, to get all the necessary hairs that I don't need in the front, so that I can bleach this wig. It is already bleached. Well, sorry. It was already pre-plucked. My bad, it's not already bleached. It's already pre-plucked. So I really just have to go in and pluck it. But you know, I went ahead and did some extra plucking. So I'm going to bleach this wig. And let me tell y'all something. On the sides, it was designed to be a middle part. But on the sides, it was actually, the knots were really hard to bleach. But I went ahead and bleached it twice. And it came out perfect. I let the bleach sit on the wig for about 15 to 20 minutes. What I did was pluck the wig off camera some more. Like I said, it's already pre-plucked, but I did go ahead and pluck it further to my likings. And now I'm just basically putting a wig cap on. This isn't the wig cap that they sent me. I like a lighter wig cap, and I also molded my hair in the middle part. So I cut the ear tabs off, and I do have some new liquid gold from, well, it's a new product, but it's called liquid gold, and it's from who's it from? The girl who sells boho. Y'all know who that is. A thin layer of this will have this cap melted like nobody's business. Okay, so that's what I got it for the cap, so that my wig can be melted down. The only thing that I didn't have was the glue, because I did order some glue from Hair by Erica J. and it didn't come in time, so I had to actually keep putting this on, and I didn't like that because it got really hard. But nonetheless, it worked out. It laid down. That's what I wanted to say. I sprayed it, and then I also took my blow dryer and blow dried this down to make it stick. I'm cutting the excess off, and yeah, y'all, we about to put some makeup on it. Y'all don't gonna see that part, but I did go ahead off camera and put some makeup on it. But first, I had to see how this wig fits first. Alright, y'all, so this is how the wig is looking, and I'm going to try it on my head and test it out to see if I actually like it. Also, another wrong thing that I did, y'all, is I cut too much of the ear tab off. So the lace on the sides was actually shorter than what I expected it to be. I was supposed to cut it off a little bit, and it's just my fault. It's just my fault. But nonetheless, like I said, it's the middle part, so I lay down just perfect, okay? And lay down just perfect. So make sure you are actually cutting. If you think the ear tab to where you can put it behind your ear is right at that part, make sure you come down some more, because you don't want it to be wrong to where your lace is too short. So what I'm doing now is I did go ahead off camera and I put makeup on a lace and also on a wig cap. I put some more liquid gold on, and I wish I had glue because I feel like the glue melted it down way better than the liquid gold. You have to put the wig on while the liquid gold is actually at this like why it's wet. That's what I'm trying to say. I often say this liquidy consumption. Like, girl, just say why it's wet. So why it's wet, and then you go ahead and dry it so that the lace can dry onto the wet part of the liquid gold, so that it all can be dry. After I did that, what I did was cut off the lace. Look at that lace. Because period. Like, if I had my glue, it would have been that, okay? But it's still that. And yeah, make sure it's dried completely. You want to make sure it's dry completely. I cannot stress this enough. After I cut the lace off, what I did is go ahead and take some of those baby hairs out. Baby hairs that I want. I really want to learn how to get into the swirls of the baby hairs, like how long it should be and all that. Like, girl, I'm still learning these wigs, but I'm actually happy because it just gave me practice with these wigs, and I like how it came out though. So I took these curlers. These are from the Amazon. I'm gonna link the list to these curlers in description right below. They're in my Amazon store. But anyways, I took these little curlers. I curl up so that I could create this baby hair. I only did 2. I was gonna say these baby hair patterns, but it's like I was gonna make some little swirls or something. But it wasn't that. It wasn't even that. It was just 2 swirls, and that's it. And the swirls, I messed up on them too. But it looked good though. So what I did was I put some Gatsby gel in a black tube, and I am taking my comb first. First I took the baby hair comb baby hair brush that they sent me, and then I took my comb. I feel like the comb worked better because it tames the curls to where I want it to go. And then I basically putting the gel on, and I'm swirling it. Also putting my finger down on the hair, or the swirl of the hair, to make sure it's laid down. After I did that, I went ahead and I put my lace band on. You will be shopping Be Fierce Beauty June 18th, so don't forget. I went to go do my makeup, and boom, baby, I look good. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Okay, y'all. So remember I said that the hair is already straight. This is a straight, Indian straight wig. So why should I curl it? It's no point in curling it. And you really can't put no style in this as far as like an updo, because the lace only goes so far. So what I'm doing is I'm basically just flat ironing my hair all over. You can actually watch me flat iron my hair, and yeah, that's about it. So don't forget to go check out Show Modern Hair in the description right below. The wig link will be down in the description right below, and also the website to purchase. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And y'all see my braces? They gradually getting straight, y'all. They gradually getting straight. But anyways, out topic. I hope that y'all like this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all on my next tutorial.